Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you all how I install an affordable lace frontal unit from Beauty Forever. This is what the unit looks like. It looks really beautiful, really soft. I got it in 180% density. It's Brazilian body wave and it's also in length 20. This unit is pre-plucked and it does come with baby hair and everything. And the way that it's plucked, it does look pretty natural, but I did decide to go in a moment to do a little extra work. But what they have us started with looks really good. Now, the parting space is not as deep as I generally go for. I believe it's about 3.5, 4 inches, and the knots are not bleached, but you don't have to worry about doing that. Here's a hack for beginners that I do all the time that is so quick and efficient, and I just love it. I have not bleached knots on a wig in a while, so for beginners out there, I'd highly recommend that you try this method. You probably won't want to bleach any knots ever again. So once you've done this, you need to wipe it away. I'm using a makeup wipe. Now it does seem to be a bit more tedious if you just use this alone, but once you actually spray some water on that area, the excess comes off a little more smoothly. So after we do this, we're just going to cut off the lace on the unit, but I did decide to blow dry the hair just so it wasn't wet when I began molding and manipulating the hair the way that I want it. So right now I'm just cutting off the lace and being sure not to go in a straight line so that it looks very natural. So you kind of want to do a zigzag. After completing this process, I'm just going to modify my stocking cap. It is a little too light, so I'm just using my foundation color, stippling that all over the stocking cap, and then we're going to be ready to install the unit. I'm not going to glue my stocking cap down or do the ball cap method. I didn't feel that it was necessary for this install. You can, but I found that when you place your unit before your stocking cap, like maybe an inch or so before or a few centimeters before your stocking cap, that it looks really natural and you don't see that line of demarcation. At this point, I noticed that the comb that was in the middle of the unit was bothering me, so I cut that off, and now I'm just going to put the unit back on my head, making sure that it's aligned where the ear tab should be, and then I'm going to get my Got2b glue in the yellow bottle, and I'm going to begin to apply that so that I can install the unit. Now, when I install the unit this time, I'm not going to go section by section, starting with the right and then the middle and then the left. I decided to just place this unit down directly over where I put the Got2b glue, adding more as needed, and then worked on my baby hair.
Far away, but still I've been closest. You should know I'm still holding on. Don't act like you don't let me no more. Can I come over? Can I come over? You telling me it's over? Why you telling me it's over?
I'm sure many of you all are nervous right now, but just keep watching. It's going to look better by the end. So right now I'm just securing everything down and I'm using an elastic band just to allow the front to set. I'm going to use baby hair in the front, so it really didn't need to be super neat. But if you're going to do no baby hair or minimal baby hair, then you want to go section by section and it's going to look so much better and also look flawless. Now right now, the way it looks, it don't matter. We're gonna pull out some baby hair and I'm gonna trim those down, and I'm gonna begin to use my comb in order to manipulate it. I'm gonna tweeze the hairline a little more, and we're just gonna make it look awesome. So keep watching.
Girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, I wanna roll up on ya. Can I roll up on ya? Yeah, can I roll up on ya? Cause you said you always. Pick up when I call you. You said you always hold me down when I call you. Don't you leave me, call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me, call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me, call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me, call it, baby, call it. I admit I might be wasted. All your friends, I know they hate.
Alright y'all, as you probably already noticed, we're not going to be wearing the hair down. We're going to be doing a half up, half down hairstyle. It's my favorite look ever. I'm using the Nairobi Foaming Styling Mousse, and I found this on Amazon. So I'm applying mousse all over the area that I want to pull up into a ponytail, and then I'm going to use my fine tooth comb in order to comb it. And this is really going to help to manipulate, mold, and sculpt the hair in the direction that I want my ponytail to be. I want it right at my crown, and as you can see, it's starting to look really natural. And also applying this mousse is really going to help me to see if I need to do any more tweezing.
You still running and I'm chasing, yeah, I don't know, I can't explain it.
Now this is my favorite part. I love adding some less jam to a straight textured unit, a curly texture unit. It just gives it some added sauce, y'all. You talk about wanting your unit to look like it's laid, add some less jam. It will take it to the next level. I love it.
So can I come over? Can I come over? So why you telling me it's over? Are you telling me it's over? I do, girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Hey, wanna roll up on ya. Say, can I roll up on ya? Hey, can I roll up on ya? Don't you
see, y'all, that less jam got my hairline looking like I have a quick weave in and I'm using my own edges. Yes, girl, yes. So now we're gonna do the baby hair. I'm gonna tweeze those out a bit more, add some mousse, and begin working some magic.
Don't you leave me, I'm calling. Don't you leave me, I'm calling. Don't you leave me, I'm calling, baby, calling. Don't you leave me, I'm calling, baby, calling. Cause you said you always pick up when I call you. You said you always hold me down when I call you.
This unit is looking so fly and you cannot beat the price. So now I'm just going to add some accessories, and although the texture looks really good and you could leave it as is, especially for this hairstyle, I am going to use my wave styling tool in order to define the waves.
It's not you that I do this for. No. Saturday be that body. I'ma get my meal. Baby, while I shop me on need family. Is it not you that I do this for? The way you do this thing for me. I'ma get my body, oh. About the things that they talk about. Tell a lot of them they can walk out. Yeah, tell a lot of them they can scatter. Yeah, see that girl over there? She only want me for one reason. She don't wanna truth, yeah. Everything about it. You be the only one for me. I don't want nothing less for sure. They only feel me cause I'm truthful. Yeah, she feeling me cause I'm wheezy. She feeling me cause I'm wheezy. She feeling me cause I'm wheezy. Yeah, wheezy. Yeah, she feeling me cause I'm wheezy. Yeah. Feeling me cause I'm wheezy. Yeah, wheezy. Yeah. She feeling me cause I'm wheezy. So wheezy. She feeling me cause I'm wheezy. Yeah, telling me cause I'm wheezy. You think I be Uber driver cause I got the way.
So this lace frontal install turned out so amazing. Trust me, the back would have looked better had I actually used the bed head on my mannequin head. So try that before installing, and it should turn out so much better. I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also check the description box for the link to this unit with all the specifications. I look forward to your comments and feedback. I will see you all in my next tutorial. Bye guys.